We, the Sekla people, deeply respect the land that sustains us. Our mountains and forests are the guardians of ancient tales, living witnesses to the stories of our ancestors. This landscape shapes our culture, our traditions, and everything we create in the kitchen. Here, in the heart of Harghita County, living close to nature is not a luxury, but a way of life. The vegetables from our gardens, the milk and dairy from our homes, and the livestock we raise are all nurtured by our own hands. This connection gives soul to our cuisine. As a child, the kitchen was the heart of our home. By my grandmother's side, I learned that cooking is not merely a craft, but a way of storytelling. With her old recipes, she brought the flavors of the past to life, while always encouraging me to innovate, to experiment. It was then that the fusion of tradition and modernity came alive in me. As the scent of freshly picked vegetables from the garden and mushrooms gathered in the forest filled our kitchen, I realized that every ingredient carries the essence of the land it comes from. Harghita County is not just a place, it is a legend. In the depths of its forests, where deer roam free, the tale of our ancestors' miraculous stag was born. This myth inspired the dish I present today, venison tenderloin with bare mushrooms and wild garlic. In the purity and harmony of these ingredients lies the soul of this land. The deer grazing on the fresh grasses of the mountains and drinking from pristine springs embodies the treasures of nature. Every bite honors this wonder. I have traveled to more than 50 countries to learn and explore what gastronomy means in different cultures around the world. The greatest lesson I brought back is the power of simplicity and passion. I am fortunate to have learned from renowned chefs who helped me find balance between my grandmother's old recipes and modern techniques. This balance is also my mission: to preserve and reimagine the flavors of Harghita County, showcasing the treasures of this land to the world. When the dish is plated, it is more than just a combination of flavors. It becomes a story where nature, tradition, and innovation unite. This story is the soul of Harghita County. And my dream is to ensure that this soul is recognized wherever it is told.